Babs and Besties! Today we are showing our mini Toyas a little love with an episode of Does the Fit Fit? This is the Rainbow High Deluxe Fashion Closet, and I am interested in finding out which items will fit our Barbies. Hey, what about me? Well, yeah, of course we want to see how they look on you too. But first, we gotta do something about those eyes. We need brown eyes, and Karma Nichols has brown eyes. You know what that means. Off with their heads! I mean eyes! I place the dolls in a plastic bag, then place them into a cup of hot water. And we need both of them to go into the water. There we go. Let them sit until their heads are squishy. And I'm just gonna remove her nose ring right quick. And then we should just be able to pop out her eyes. Oh my gosh, okay. Oh my goodness, this is this is probably one of the creepiest things I've ever done. All right, come on, there we go. Oh, poor mini Toya. Come on, we're almost there. I'm gonna set this one back in the water for a second. Whoa. Got it. Now we do have to be careful because they have eyelashes attached, so you want to make sure you don't like crush them or anything. Then let's put in the new ones. I'm still trying to be careful not to destroy her eyelashes. I got one in, and that's only because I keep heating the head to keep it soft. I do not find this incredibly easy to do, but this is just my experience. I'm sure those of you out there who switch eyes all the time can just pop them in and out. Okay, we almost got it. And now we can just squish her head around until it goes into the right place. Oh my goodness, almost there. Oh, I did it! I think one is actually a little higher than the other, but we'll just have to fix that later. 'Cause now my mini Toyas have brown eyes. That mirror is pretty good, so we'll just put this here. It looks like we have about 10 different clothing pieces. Here is a yellow crop top jacket, which I cannot get on mini Toya because she has WWE superstar hands. So we'll just ask one of our other friends to help us out. It was still difficult to get her hands through, but it is doable. It's kind of perfect on a petite Barbie. And of course, it fits Rainbow High dolls. I paired it with the sleeveless top from the Winter Break Sunny Madison doll, and I think that is a really cute look. And these hangers have rainbow written across them again, so we're losing a little function there. Red overall dress that says sparkle. The print reminds me of Louis Vuitton. Is that a hole? Oh no, the pocket just goes all the way through and it looks like it's flipped up. There we go. On a classic Barbie, it is a little short. It kind of reminds me of an apron. It's still kind of short on a petite. So this one's gonna stay with Rainbow High Mini Toya. I do like how the pattern goes all the way around. I feel like we might have similar results with this orange dress. It kind of feels like a sock and you can see a butterfly pattern on it. You know what? I don't mind being wrong. Since this material is stretchy like a sock, it's a pretty nice fit on our classic Barbie body. It goes up around the neck and fastens with Velcro in the back and looks pretty good all the way around. It fits a curvy Barbie, a petite. However, with this fabric, you do need to be careful about snagging. And here it is on a Rainbow High doll. Pleasantly surprised with this one. Up next, we have a t-shirt and a pink skirt. The t-shirt says Rainbow High, no social media. Thank you. Oh, that's probably from that episode of Rainbow High that I saw on YouTube when we found out that the students aren't allowed to take pictures of their work. And then there was this whole thing with Bella. The t-shirt fits our classic Barbie. It's nice and long and everything. It velcros in the back and is sewn at the bottom. And it has a cute little collar. The skirt fits just like most Rainbow High skirts. We do have some pockets there. They do go all the way through. And we have some belt loops. The pattern goes all the way around and it velcros in the back. The shirt can fit a curvy Barbie. It's pretty loose on a petite Barbie. It was very easy to get on. And on a Rainbow High doll, I think it's just as cute. I do like when they have longer shirts because they can fit so many different dolls. Let's try these two together. The top is black with gold lettering. It says Rainbow, and it is very short on our Barbie. The pants are black, stop mid-shin, have rainbow stitching, with rainbow ribbon laced down the legs with a little bow tied at the bottom. There are pockets, they do go all the way through, and there are real functional pockets in the back. It fits pretty good on a petite, and the pant legs do go down a lot lower. On a Rainbow High doll, the crop top is a little longer, and the pants go almost to the ankle. Up next, we're gonna try out this purple jacket and these jeans with a yellow belt. Oh no, unfortunately, my purple jacket is completely pulling apart at the seams. That's not even sewn together. When I flip it inside out, it looks like the seam allowance was just a little too short. Maybe I can stitch that back together. But this fabric really just shreds and unravels, so I don't know. But we are going to try to repair it anyway. All right, I was able to repair the jacket, which is purple, white, and black with silver stitching along the edge. And then we have a little fringe. The jeans were a little tight. I did find them kind of difficult to get onto my Rainbow High doll. The belt is separate, so we can remove it and use it with other outfits. And like the other pants, there are pockets in the front and in the back. Here's the look on a classic Barbie. I paired it with a Creatable World white tank top. Again, the pants are a little tight over the calves, but I think we can totally get away with it. It was way easier to get the pants on a petite Barbie, and the jacket fits pretty nice as well. And here is a green two-tone sweatshirt. It says Rainbow across the front. I do wish it was a little neater where the pull strings come out. The fabric is unraveling just a little. It velcros in the back, and we also have a little faux hood here. It makes a cute little sweatshirt on our classic Barbie. The arms are going to be a little bit shorter. Our curvies can fit it, and it looks really good on a petite. All of the dolls can easily use the included bag. It's a faux quilted leather with a rainbow trim, and they used ribbon trim for the strap. The bag does open. I'm probably going to replace that ribbon strap with a chain. There are gold-colored Rainbow High earrings with little white painted details. I'm gonna leave these with my Rainbow High dolls, which brings us to the shoes. These are definitely a pass for our Barbies. Nope. Nope, nope. Maybe with some socks. Need thicker socks. What about WWE superstars? They can fit some of the clothes and the shoes. However, I think it's a little difficult to get them on when there is no slit in the back. These heels don't really fit, but we can work with the tennis shoes. And my Rainbow High doll can fit her shoes. That's good to know. Woo! Who knew trying on clothes could be so much work? Nice chair. Thank you for joining us for another Does the Fit Fit? where we tried on rainbow high fashion on other dolls. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time. Bye!